Hi guys, it's Tuesday the 17th of May, about 25 past 3 in the afternoon, and we're back again to put another £120 for this week into the S&P 500 ETF, this one provided by Vanguard. Others are available. So just as a quick reminder, looking at the chart here, it's set to a 1 week time frame. Back here you can see the COVID effect. The stock market took a bit of a dive from around about almost £50 down to around about 39, so quite a substantial fall, and then recovered again a few months later. This last period from, let me see when that's really started, I suppose you could say is maybe is it around here is the sort of start of all this. Around about January, there's been a bit of a fall, and since that time, although things had recovered slightly during March, we're back down again to the same sort of level as we were mid-February. Now, just while there's some clear blue water, so to speak, between the average price of the investment, you can see there it's 64.07. That's indicated by the dashed green line here. And on that you can see basically the difference noted. So GBP, we're down £26.60 as that stands, and that represents 3.7% or so. So we're going to be able to dollar cost average a bit more today. As you can see, for the day we're sitting at about minus 0.4, and on the whole, compared to most of the figures there, the market is down. Okay, so a month it was down, it is down about 4.1% for a month, 0.65 over 3 months, 0.7 over 6 months, although for the year it is currently sitting positive at about 10.6. Okay, so let's add in this week's £120 and see how much we get for it. So the market is open at present, and I'm not going to set any kind of limits or anything like that. The risk with doing so is that if there was a change in the market value and your limit was very close to what the current price is, it may not execute. So there may be times when it's worth doing that. I honestly think when you're in the wealth building stage, it's probably not really worth it, but let's go ahead here. So we see up here order executed. So we have bought 1.94 shares there, and that brings the value of the investment to 812 as things stand, with a loss of 27. So out of our total 50,000 available in the practice account, we have almost invested 1,000 of it, and we are, well, we're not quite there yet. We've another 160, so by next week we'll have invested all but £40 of the first 1,000. And in time, you will expect, or I will expect, and we will all keep our fingers crossed, that the value of the investment will turn around. It will get back on its usual track, up the ways. I'm just going back a bit here in time just to sort of let you see where it has been, and where it has come to. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you enjoy this simulation. I'm using the practice account available from Trading 212, and I do think that even if you're not ready to get your feet wet just yet, it is well worth opening a practice account. They're free, and it allows you to have a play about with the stock market, to experience how it behaves, and totally risk-free. So it's a good way to experience it at no risk whatsoever. If you enjoy the content, please feel free to like, subscribe, leave comments below, etc. Share with your friends, tell everyone you know, and I'll be back again next week with another £120 invested, and hopefully we may see some green numbers down the bottom here then, but nobody knows. You can't time the market. It could go further into the red. We'll see next week.